Today we are going to see how to perform sales analysis in Excel and in what are the ways you can insert different types of charts and diagrams for a given table. We are going to give column headings first. Here, purchase, sales, profit. So we are going to format it as table. For that we have to select the entire row. In format as table option we have to click. So any design you want you can choose, and you have to enable my table as headers, then click OK. So in this way I have entered data. Now we are going to apply the formula to calculate profit. Is equal to, just we have to select sales minus purchase. So that's it. If you press enter, profit will be automatically calculated. So now if you want to insert any chart, you have to select the data first. So we have selected the data. Now go to insert, and here you can see there are a lot of different types of charts. So whatever you want you can insert. Now I am going to insert a column chart. So as we have selected the data earlier, so now the charts is shown. If you want to select a different type of chart, again you have to select the data first, then select the type of chart you want to insert. So this is another type, line chart. By following the same method you can insert pie chart also. So now we have inserted 3 different types of charts. If you click on any of the charts, you can see the design menu. So there are a lot of designs, even in drop down menu there are many designs. So whatever the design you want you can choose. So another way of inserting charts and table is pivot charts and table. For that we have to click insert. After selecting the required data, pivot chart option will be there. If you just click on it, pivot chart and pivot table option will appear. So now we are going to insert a pivot chart as well as pivot table. So we are clicking on this one. So it will ask the range. So already we have selected the data. So now we have to click just OK. So what are the fields we need? We need all the fields. We are going to insert one by one. So everything we have selected. Now we want year in access. So in this way you can customize the data whatever you want in table as well as in chart. For example, you need only sales and profit in the chart. You can remove this purchase. Remove field. If you click so, the purchase will be removed. Now you will have only sales and profit in the chart as well as in the table. So this is the use of pivot chart and table. You can customize whatever the data you want in the chart as well as in the table. So in this way you can perform a sales analysis and insert the necessary charts you want in your Excel file. Thank you all.